Rajesh Kumar from Arc-Infotech. In this video, we are going to see how to download historical data of previous future and option contracts. Just to follow the steps. Step number 1. Go to NS India old website, which has been given in description also. If you want, you can click and go to website directly. Step number 2. Once NS India website opened, place your cursor in product tab and click equity derivatives. Step number 3. Here you see historical data. Click that one. In this first option, contract wise archives. See below there is a search option. Click that search. New window will open. See here. For example, suppose I want to download Wipro stock future for March month means. That is March 2020. In select instrument, we should choose stock future because we need to download future contract. There is many options are there, but we need to choose stock future here. Second, in select symbol, we need to type Wipro. Then third, select year. We are going to download March 2020 data only. So select 2020 year. And in select expiry cell, we need to select March month expiry date. That is here 26/3/2020. So we should choose that one. We are going to download only future contract. So no need to select option type and don't want to enter strike price also. Here two options are there to get historical data. One is for past and another is select period. For past means it is a predefined one. 1 day, 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, 1 year like that. You can't able to change that one. But in second option, we can download the data by customized time period, whatever we want. Now I'm going to download this data, this historical data from March 1 to March 26. So I'm going to choose select the time period option. If I click that one, first from cell, one calendar will pop out. Here I'm going to select March month and I'm going to choose day 1. Same like in second cell, 2 cell, I'm going to choose March month, day 26. Now I'm going to click get data. See this day's data has been retrieved successfully. If you want to download in Excel sheet, you can click this download file in CSV format. File will be downloaded. You can use that data later for your analysis purpose also. Suppose if you want to get historical data for stock option means, just change select instrument as stock option. Select which stock you want. Here I leave Wipro itself. Same March month I am going to download. But now in select option type, you should choose any one you want. For example, I am going to download the data for 250 strike price. Call option means I need to choose CE here. Call option means CE. And in strike price, 250 strike. So enter 250 here. Same period, suppose I want means March 1 to March 26. Just I'm going to click data now. See, soon 250 CE data retrieved for specified period. I hope that you all now got aware of how to download historical data. And thank you. Meet you in another useful video.